Hello there, fourth graders. Miss Hess here. Hey, I want to do a video for you guys to help you find resources for your social studies unit on the Southwest. Okay, so I've started at my Google search page. Please don't start with the Google search. The only reason why I started here is because I have my bookmark tabs. So I have MackinVIA bookmark. So I'm going to go ahead and go to MackinVIA. We don't want you searching on Open Google because a lot of times you just get into all kinds of information that's hard to read and understand and just to sift through. But remember, MackinVIA is made for elementary kids, okay? Well, actually, MackinVIA is made for kids at all levels, but since we're at elementary, our page reflects elementary resources. Okay, so remember, H-A-I-N-E-R, okay? It brings up Heidelberg. And then log in, and then go ahead and log in with my Google account. Okay. All right, when you come to the main page, the home page, the first stop we're going to do is the database page. So click on databases, and we're going to look for Pebble Go Next State. And remember, all of our resources, there's 27 databases here. They're all in alphabetical order. So I know I can just scroll right down to the P's, but for purposes of this video, I will not go fast. Okay, so everything's in alphabetical order, and I'm looking for the P's. Pebble Go Next. Indian Studies, Biographies, Science, Social Studies. We need this one. Pebble Go Next State. And remember, you can always pause my video as you go through these steps in case, in case you can't remember, just pause me, okay? So I'm going to open now. And we click on Southwest, of course. So we see that there are 4 states in the Southwest region. That's Arizona, New Mexico, Oklahoma, and Texas. Sure, you'll be assigned one of those. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the Arizona tab. Okay, remember that when you're in Pebble Go Next, you can navigate up top with the little tabs, and it will just move the whole page down. Or, of course, you can go this way. You can just scroll down, and you'll see that it will change up top as you get through there. Okay. Industry. That history and government was long. Anyway, there's all kinds of good stuff up there. Landmarks, state symbols, fast facts, video, song. Let's take a look at the recipe. I don't know about you guys, but I really am enjoying cooking these days because since we're trapped indoors, that's one thing that I'm able to do. Oh, and look at this, a recipe for fruit salsa. Yum! So maybe you can try out something like that too for when you're doing your research for snack time, right? Okay, so another thing that I wanted to show you, if I go back up top here to location, we have a dictionary in case you need to look up a word that's in here that you don't understand. You can click on dictionary. There are activities, so you could print and color the Arizona state flag in case you really don't have anything to do. And then, of course, citation. Remember that we have to give credit where credit is due when we're researching for projects. Like, for instance, if you're making Google Slides and I'm doing a report on Arizona, my last slides should say like bibliography or sources. You should title it that. And then you go to you click on the citation. Just go ahead and use the APA, the first one. And you just highlight that guy. Put your cursor right over the highlight, right click, copy, and then you would go ahead and right click and paste into your Google slide under your sources or your bibliography, whatever you want to call it. So you give credit where credit is due. Okay? So that's how you find some information on PebbleGo Next. And notice I keep my tabs open up top so I can click back on MackinVIA. And I'd like to show you the next set of resources that are fantastic. That's the Scholastic TrueFlick. So I got to go way back up top, go to links now. And TrueFlicks is down here. So TrueFlicks are all the nonfiction books from Scholastic. An amazing treasure chest of information here. So I like to highlight the word military because that's the password and the username. Do the old right click, copy, and then go ahead and open now. And then paste, right click, paste. And then I'll get into TrueFlicks. Right, we have 2 stops on TrueFlicks for this project that will be very helpful to you. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we'll use the U.S. regions first. Okay, we'll use that one first. And then we'll use the My United States second. But just for demonstration purposes, this is where I'm going to start. U.S. regions. Okay, and then sure enough, there's the Southwest. And you know, the cool thing about this site is I have all of these library books in my library, but we have digital versions, which is so fantastic. So I click on the Southwest. Okay, and then you'll see a whole menu over here of different things that you can do. I always start by watching the video, and then I go ahead and open the book. So we'll just demonstrate that right now. Opening the book. Okay, turn the pages on the right just by clicking, or you can use your arrow keys. Okay, and fantastic. Really, really good information about this region of the U.S. Okay, and there's your map with those 4 states, and so on from there. Okay, so that's a really good place to look for information. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click the back button, and I can just navigate from here. Now I'm going to look up My United States because you'll probably be doing a report maybe on a specific state. So you're going to choose from Arizona, New Mexico, Oklahoma, or Texas. That would be one of your states. So I'm just going to stick with Arizona since I demonstrated that on from the beginning. So I just click on Arizona. And again, same thing. Starts with the video, and then you go ahead and go into the book. You know, and you should always do those things first before you're getting into any of the activity centers. I was practicing on this the other day. I got into the word match. Let's see if it's going to go there for me. And I'm having a little issue with my internet, like we all are, right? Anyway, it won't go there for me right now. But I did the word match the other day. It was hard. It took me quite some time, so that is kind of a cool activity if you like word searches and stuff like that. That is a really neat one. Let's see if any of these links are working. Let's see if it goes to explore more. That one worked. Good. Let's see if it will go to Activity Center. Okay, it's not, but that's all right. Maybe that feature right now isn't working, but you can try it out. Maybe you'll have better luck than me. Okay, so again, those are your MackinVIA resources. Remember, you always, once you get to the main page, you navigate on the left-hand menu. You can start with databases or go ahead and go to links for the TrueFlix. That should be of use to you for this project much more than anything else you could find on the internet, geared for elementary kids. So hope you all are well. Take care and happy researching on the Southwest. Bye, guys.